Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and off-road adventures. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the 2025 Polaris Ranger XP 1000. This utility side-by-side is designed to dominate the trails and tackle tough jobs. So let's dive right into what makes this machine one of the best in its class. First up, let's talk about power. The 2025 Ranger XP 1000 is powered by a 999cc twin-cylinder engine, pushing out around 82 horsepower. That's plenty of muscle to tackle any challenge, whether you're hauling gear, plowing through mud, or climbing rocky terrain. The Ranger's engine delivers smooth, consistent power, making it a great choice for both work and play. Whether you're at the job site or out on your favorite trail, this thing will get the job done without breaking a sweat. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the suspension system. Polaris has really stepped up the game here. The Ranger XP 1000 features fully independent suspension, meaning you get a smoother ride over rough and uneven terrain. It also includes heavy-duty shocks that help maintain stability, especially when you're carrying a load. If you're tackling tough trails or just cruising over some bumps, the ride is noticeably more comfortable in the 2025 model compared to previous years. Plus, it has a ground clearance of 12 inches, which allows you to glide over rocks, roots, and uneven surfaces with ease. Interior. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Ranger XP 1000 delivers in spades. The cabin has been redesigned for improved ergonomics, with plenty of space for both driver and passenger. The seats are more comfortable, offering better support for long rides. The dashboard has been upgraded with a digital display that's easier to read, giving you all the essential info like speed, ride modes, and fuel levels at a glance. And speaking of ride modes, the Ranger comes with 3 selectable modes: Sport, Standard, and Work. So, whether you need extra power for some fun or you're dialing things back for work tasks, you can quickly adjust the performance to suit your needs. Cargo space is another area where the 2025 Ranger XP 1000 shines. With a 1,000-pound capacity cargo bed, this vehicle is ready for anything. Whether you're hauling tools, firewood, or camping gear, you've got more than enough space to carry all your essentials. The tailgate is super easy to open and close, and the cargo area is built to handle the roughest conditions. Plus, it comes with tie-down points to secure your gear, so nothing will be shifting around during your ride. One feature that Polaris has really improved this year is the overall durability of the Ranger XP 1000. With a reinforced steel frame, a heavy-duty front bumper, and a tough roll cage, this machine is built to withstand the harshest conditions. Whether you're working in the dirt or navigating rugged trails, the 2025 Ranger is built to last. And for those of you who love technology, the 2025 model comes with the Polaris Ride Command System. This allows you to track your route, navigate the trails with ease, and stay connected to other riders. It's a great tool for those long off-road adventures. So, is the 2025 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 worth the hype? If you need a tough, versatile, and reliable side-by-side that can handle both work and recreation, the answer is a resounding yes. From its powerful engine to its smooth suspension and improved comfort features, this is one of the most well-rounded off-road vehicles you can buy. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got plenty more off-road content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. See you next time.